How are you, sir? You have a pool store, or are you a builder?
Builder.
Builder? Excellent. That's a new heater for the marketplace. That's a Nano heater. You can feel the water right here. That's 120 degrees. That's free off the sun. 4 solar panels. That's our pump. That runs on 2 solar panels. Our kit comes with 3 though for an average swimming pool. That's $3,600 delivered to the house. ROI is about 2.5 years. Our heater ROI is about 3 to 4 years. That's a nanoparticle heater. Electron goes into the heater from the solar or the grid, heats the water up. The thermal water heater soaks up that heat, puts it in the pool.
What's really the maximum amount of water you're looking at turning?
We have a 3.5 horsepower pump, so we're going to do whatever you got going on. This is the 1 horsepower right now. As far as the heater or the pump?
The heater.
Okay, what is the question of the heater?
25, 30,000 gallons.
Yeah, it might be our 40K, and that's 16 panels. It's about 20 grand and about 14,000. If you really want to go a little bit bigger, that'd be 32 panels, and that'd be about 40 grand, but about 27 after tax credit.
Okay. We're in Minnesota, so
you got to cover that pool, man.
Yeah, all of them are covered.
Yeah, you have to.
We have automatic covers now.
Oh, beautiful. Then that heater will work great. You know, even right now, the sun's going to hit with a nice, cloudy day or clear day. That heater's going to kick a lot of heat in that pool.
I mean, during the summer, with the auto covers, they don't even use the heater.
Right.
That much. They
Yeah.
just hose it in.
This is the real heater to extend that season almost year round.
Yeah.
That's why it's called the 4 seasons.
Yeah, if we can get it to April, November, that's a plus.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Cool. Yes, sir.